if x equals to 1/4 of square root of y over a, express y in terms of a and x. B, find y when a equals to 3 and x equals to half. Solution. The first part of the problem, we have x equals to 1/4 of square root of y over a. Now the first thing to do here is to cross multiply. Okay, before we cross multiply, we can actually remove the square root. Let's remove the square root first. Removing the square root is to square both sides, because what we want to express, which is y, is inside the square root. So let's square both sides. By squaring both sides, we have s raised to the power of 2. S raised to the power of 2 is equals to 1/4 square root of y over a raised to the power of 2. Now, we have here x squared equals to what? These two will affect each element of what we have here. So we have 1 square over 4 square. Now square root of y divided by a raised to the power of 2. Now we have x squared equals to what? 1 square is 1. And what is 4 square? 4 times 4, 16. And the square root of everything here, these two will go with the square root. Now we have y over a. In this case, we have x squared equals to what? 1 times y. What do we have? Y at numerator. 16 times a, we have what? 16a. So from here, we can now cross multiply. By cross multiplying, what do we have? Y times y times 1 we have. That's the left hand side. Then equals to what? S squared times 16a. Y times 1, that is y. Now we have s squared times 16a, that is 16a s squared. That is the solution to the first part of the problem. B part now. Find y when a equals to what? When a equals to 3. A equals to 3 and x equals to 1/2. So for us to find y, it means that anywhere we see a here, using the results we have from part A, anywhere we see a here, we put 3. And anywhere we see s, we put what? 1/2. Then raised to the power of 2. Simplifying. 16 then times 3 into bracket what? 2 will affect numerator, that is 1 square. Then it will also affect the denominator, then we have 2 square. Simplifying, we have 16 into 3 into bracket what? 1 square, that is 1 times 1, that is 1. 2 square, that's 2 times 2, that's 4. So 4 here 1, 4 in 16, we have 4. Then we have left 4 into bracket 3 times 1, that is 3. And this equals to what? 12. Then it means that when a equals to 3 and x equals to half, y equals to 12. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.